Welcome to GIBS-Chem. In this exercise, I'm going to show you how to draw this geometry. And as you can see here, the stop for this part is roughly 150 and 100 here, and the 0 point will be at the upper left corner. Okay, let's click on the new document icon here, and make sure you choose 3-axis vertical mill and mm, the unit. And now we're going to specify the stop. So x plus, it will be 150, x minus will be 0, and y plus will be 0, and y minus will be minus 100. The z minus is minus 50, that is okay. The clearance, let's put it 50 for now, and the 2 holder, let's use the default. After you finish setting this value, then click new, and then you can browse to your working folder to save your file. I'm going to save my file under C Gibbs and put the name of cat01 and save. Then you can close this window here. This is the stop that you specified for the part. Now, in step 2, I'm going to show you how to navigate the model. Let's click on the eye here, the view icons, and you can, first of all, you can click this no zoom to fit the screen, and click the home to the XY plane, the home plane. And also here you can go to top view, front view, right view, and also the ISO view. You can drag this icon, this bar, by pick and drag the boundary to move this. And next, if you use the loader of the mouse, you can zoom unzoom the model. And if you press the middle button of the mouse, you can rotate the part. Middle button of the mouse, press. Okay. To pan, you can use Control with the left button of the mouse to pan the model. Control key with the left button of the mouse. So this is how you navigate the model inside GIBS-Chem. Step 3, we're going to create this rectangle 150 by 100 shown by the yellow region. Let's go to the Gibbs and click on the home view to go to the top, and click this icon here, geometry, to create a geometry. This is the geometry bar. To create a rectangle, we can use the shapes. So under shapes, we can use Gibbs to create stacks, all different shapes, spatial shapes. Now we're going to click here for the box, and the width of the box is 150, and the height will be 100, and the center point of the box, for the X, I'll key in, for example, 150 divided by 2, and then press the equal button on the keyboard to get the actual value, 75. And Y, it will be minus 50. And then click do it to create the rectangle as well you see on the screen here. Now step 4, I'm going to create this feature here shown by the yellow region. Let's go to GIF cam. Okay, so let's return to the previous here. Just click here, and now I'm not going to use a shape to create my features, next features. So I will use the line. So here you have line by 2 point, a point with angles. I'm going to use this one, axis. So first I'll draw a vertical line at x 27.5 and click this icon here, and then I'll create another line 52.5 again, and now I'm going to create a horizontal line. So I will key in the y value minus 25, and the next one it will be minus 75. Since this will be the last line that I'm going to create, so I will click, instead of clicking the two line icon here, I will click this one line icon to create a line and exit the line functions. So after I have this 4 line, next is to join this 4 line together. In GIF cam we call it connections. To do this is very simple. What you need to do is use the Control key to select this 2 line and right click the mouse and select connect. Same, use the Control key to select this 2 line here, right click and select connect. So in GIF cam we don't have any trim function here. And select this 2 lines using the Control key and right click, select connect. And select this 2 line here, right click and connect. Next, we'll create a radius over here, a radius of 12.5. So I'm going to choose this point and select the chamfer option here. Make sure it is a radius, and I'm keying 12.5. And then select this circle here to create the radius. Step 5, I'm going to create a second features of this part here shown by the yellow regions. Okay, first I'm going to treat I will use a line to draw this axis, to draw the vertical lines. Start from the 63.5 here. Another line will be located at 76.5, and next vertical line will be at 125. Next, I'll continue to the horizontal line. I will need a horizontal line at y minus 6, another one at y minus 20, then click this icon here to exit. Next, we're going to create a line by using the point angle. Let's click line again using the point angle, and the points, we'll keep the point here. The point, it will be 63.5, 63.5. The y, it will be 13.5, 13.5, and the angle will be 30. And let's create a line. Oops, I made some mistake. If you done some mistake, you can always go to edit, undo, and I'm going to create one more time, point angle. Point, the Y is not plus, it actually is minus, and let's create again to have the taper line. Next, what we need to create is the circle. So I'm going to use this circle and use this point and a center point. The center point. The center point for the circle, the X will be 70 and the Y will be minus 65. Minus 65. And for the point, it will be 76.5, correct, and intersect at Y minus 65. Let's click this circle. So after we have all the sketch, next is to connect this line. Use the Control key to select these two lines and right click, select connect, and this two line here, and right click, select connect, and this two line, right click, connect, this two line here, right click, connect, and this two line, right click, connect, and next I'm going to connect this line to this circle, right click, connect, and this circle to this line here, right click, connect. In case you get a result like this, the arc is reverse, opposite. You can always select this arc and right click and select the reverse arc to fix it. Okay, the last thing that I'm going to do with this second feature is to apply the radius. I'm going to select this point here and click on the chamfer icon here and make sure radius is selected, the fillet, and the value will be 12.5. Click this icon here to create the radius.